Hi, I'm Sheetal Jain, CEO and co-founder of Lairemit, a cross-border platform. We started this company 2 years ago to make international trade simple, convenient, and economical for exporters. I often get this question asked, why did I get into entrepreneurship? It goes back to my formative years. I saw my mother, who used to run a foam factory. Probably the seed was sown then. However, I went into the financial world, 25 years there. I saw the industry from the lens of the financials itself and often used to wonder that why in India, though we have 6.3 crore entities, barely 20 lakh of them are companies. We could not scale because we did not have the technology supporting the smaller companies. That's when dreams started to take some shape that I wanted to build for the industry. And which is when I discussed this with my erstwhile client and now my co-founder, Mahesh, who was a banker. We both spoke about this and he introduced me to the exporter world.
We believe for business, export is all about growing their business beyond borders and not drowning in paperwork. But today, managing trade document is complex, time consuming, and sometimes frustrating. We have spent the last year working with exporters, understanding their biggest challenges.
Challenges started from buyer-seller risk, regulatory compliances, massive documentation out there. Payments was an issue, financing was an issue, but can they be streamlined? Was always intriguing us, and those issues I'm sure that when I talk about them today, it will be familiar to a number of you who are present today. How do you organize your trade documents? Do you save them on your PC, carrying the risk of losing them? How do you share your critical documents? Through an unsecure email or WhatsApp? Don't you find difficulty in searching through the documents at the time of regulatory queries? Often face issues with EDPMS closures or BRC generations, shipping bill validations? Do you not fear the data leak? Or have you ever lost a deal due to data leak? Unauthorized access to confidential documents?
These are just a few of the daily battles. One missing document can delay payment, and regulatory queries can turn into weeks of stress for you.
Built with the feedback from exporters just like you.
A solution designed to bring order to the chaos of export documentation. A platform that will be intelligent, secure, intuitive, and built for the way exporters want it to work. So here we are with a solution that will change the way exporters manage their documents forever.
What do you get in this? Store and access all your consignment documents in one place. Track edits and views with detailed audit trails. Share documents effortlessly with customizable access. OTP-enabled document protection. Unlock actionable data for smarter decisions. Designated access for users and groups. Effortlessly connect with your ERP system. Leverage AI to automate and optimize document handling. Perform advanced searches for any document in seconds. Shipping bill validations, BRC generations, compliance data, all digitally. Tailor-made for your industry. And real-time chat with stakeholders. Well, that's the product we have built for you. Unveiling of a new age document management platform specifically for the exporters. I hope you will love it as much as we enjoyed building it. Here is to all of you.